Namaste friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant, and today's topic is yoga asanas for weight loss and flat tummy. Now let's start. The first yoga posture name is Tadasana. It helps to control over your muscles movement. It gives tone shape to your body. It is helpful, it develops your physical and mental health. So let's start. Take the position, stand on your mat with attached heels. Now raise your arms up, take the position, cross your fingers together. Now with inhale, stretch your body up. Balance your weight on your feet, on your toes, and then exhale. Inhale. Stretch up, stretch your arms, your spine, your legs. Your neck should be straight. Exhale. This is very good also to increase the height by stretching the muscles and the ligaments. It is helpful for the growing children also. Avoid to take too much stress on your spine. So friends, be careful. The second yoga posture name is Dhanurasana. It brings better stretch on your abdomen sides and abdomen. It gives toned shape to your body, to your entire body. Let's start. Lie down on your stomach. Now bend your both knees and hold your both ankles by your hands. Now lift your body up, upper body and your thighs, your ankles up with inhale. Remain in this position as much as possible and then exhale. Again. If you are feeling uncomfortable, so don't take too much stress on your body. Come back very smoothly and get the relaxed position. The third yoga asana name is Bhujanga Asana. It is really excellent yoga pose for weight loss. It reduces the stiffness from your lower back body and give the flexibility, the whole flexibility of your whole body, to your whole body. Now let's start the yoga asana. Lie down on your stomach. Now put your palms on the floor under your shoulder, chin on floor. With inhale, raise your upper body up to your navel. Remain in this position as much as possible and then with exhale, come back to the normal position. Again with inhale. Avoid those people who are suffering from headache, back pain, any surgery in the stomach, in the back. Avoid this yoga posture to practice. Please don't do this yoga posture by the pregnant females. Relax. Friends, Practice these asanas regularly for the positive results. I hope you like my content. Namaste. Take care. Bye bye.